trust, compassion, and genuine care. Thank you. Beyond the school leadership is someone who always guides us in a wider perspective. Mr. Danilo Mangilimutan, thank you so much, our Public Schools District Supervisor. Thank you so much, sir, for your guidance, your presence, and encouragement means a lot to us, not only during this event, but on our daily conversation. I would also like to thank Dr. Arqueles, Mr. Arnoldo Compuesto, and Ma'am Yorina Gana for being here tonight. And tonight is even made more special because of the presence of our school's division superintendent, Mr. Sinin Priscino P. Paulin. Thank you so much, sir, for taking the time to be with us. Of course, the members of the Sangguniang Barangay, headed by Honorable Remar Baguio, our chairman for the Education Committee, thank you so much for being with us. In the same spirit of gratitude, I would also like to thank this man who has been with us from the very beginning down to the last, from the first general rehearsal down to the last rehearsal, Dr. Romeo Macan, our municipal education consultant. And of course, how can I forget? Our Vice Mayor is here. Thank you so much, Vice Mayor Boyet Lago. Thank you so much. And even though the Mayor is not here, I would like to thank him for the support, all the support that he has given to Puerto District. Thank you so much, Mayor. And I would like you to know, Mayor, that we are so proud of you. You are being elected as the President of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines. Congratulations and thank you. To the parents and students who are here with us, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And I hope to see you next year. Teachers, remember this. You have the power to inspire, to shape future, and to ignite passion. Let's make next year Educators Night a more spectacular and meaningful one. Enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Rhea and Trina. I am pretty sure, ma'am, that your words ignite the souls of our dear educators, right? Okay, now the show must go on. Let's welcome